The Metalworking Group was founded when Gil Richards acquired a group of manufacturing companies, Technifab Metal Products, Mer Tool and Die, to make components for his valves. In 1994, we became branded as the Metalworking Group. I like to tell people we make everything but aerospace and automotive. We have capital equipment, consumer products, material handling, oil and gas, military, just a variety of customers.
At Metalworking Group, we solve our customers' complex manufacturing problems, and we look to become trusted partners to our customers. The Metalworking Group will continue to add capabilities and automation as we look to adapt to the ever-changing manufacturing landscape.
Metalworking Group really does a very nice job of staying at the forefront of technology. We really try hard to stay ahead of the market and understanding where the manufacturing market is shifting so that we can better serve our customers with the latest equipment. Internally, we offer full machining, fabrication, powder coating, and finishing operations, and we have a strong network of service providers that we work with external for those processes that we don't offer internally. Our uniqueness comes in the broad range of processes that we're able to supply to our customers and our ability to pull those together and offer a full turnkey solution.
I believe that our high customer retention rate is really because of the partnerships that we form and our determination not to let them down. Our best customers are customers that we partner with. We can collaborate with them. We can offer manufacturing solutions that are less expensive, easier to make. It's a relationship that there's give and take. If we have good ideas or they have good ideas, we can modify things in process, and we really try and build good reliability and good trust with our customers. I'm really proud of the team that we've built here at Metalworking Group in all aspects of employment. We all work together. We never say, it's not my problem. We always go after it as a team and find a solution that works best for us, our customers, and our employees.
We've evolved from a company that really just supplied other family-owned businesses in the Cincinnati area to a company right now where we supply Fortune 500 businesses all across the country.
We really take pride in what we do. We want to put our name on the products that we make. We want to say, if this was my money, would I spend my own money on this part?
Our vision for the future is to continue to grow the business, which will allow our employees to continue to grow their careers. Our people are the best. I think we focus a lot on culture, and we know that when we take care of our people, that they take care of the rest.